The universe reflects consciousness. Everything in your life, your reality and experiences, is like an audition for your attention. Similar to how celestial bodies orbit the sun, your thoughts, feelings, perceptions, and sensations depend entirely on the energy you invest. What you ignore fades from your experiential realm. The challenge lies in our often unconscious navigation of this process. Events in your life need not define your experience if you choose not to give them attention. This might seem counterintuitive, but it's a fact worth considering. When you withhold attention, events lose their impact on your vibrational frequency. In the realm of the law of attraction, thoughts are seen as creators of reality. However, thoughts themselves are neutral until you energize them with your attention, either by affirming them or dismissing them. Thoughts direct your energy flow and shape the universe's response. Therefore, effectively communicating with the universe involves directing your energy towards positive thoughts and disregarding those that emanate negativity. The first step in speaking to the universe is paying attention to your attention. From the moment you enter this world, the universe asks, "What do you want?" To effectively communicate your desires, understand the language of energy it speaks. The universe doesn't distinguish languages, but reads your vibrational responses. Any reaction you offer is interpreted as a request for more. Mastering this dynamic is akin to conducting an orchestra, choosing which thoughts and emotions to amplify through your attention. Next, think and speak in the present tense. The universe recognizes only the now as reality. Past and future thoughts are like echoes. The present is where the universe listens intently. Thinking of the universe as a manifestation of consciousness means that every thought is a form of communication. The universe understands our thoughts and feelings differently than we might perceive initially. Saying "I will be successful" might be heard as "I don't want success right now." Instead, feel as if you already possess what you seek. Expanding your consciousness is crucial. Life is not a linear story, but a dynamic, interactive game. Mastery requires awareness of its multifaceted dimensions. As you understand more variables in the universe, you gain control over your reality. This expanded awareness enables you to make informed decisions and navigate life skillfully. Listen to your guidance system as the fourth step. It serves as your compass in the universe of energy. Unlike words, your feelings and intuitive responses reflect your true path. Follow what resonates with you and ignore what induces negativity. By consistently following what feels good, you align yourself with your true path. Lastly, harness the power of repetition. Delve into your subconscious mind, which mirrors the universe's operations. The law of attraction draws primarily from your subconscious, which impartially validates all viewpoints. Repetition allows you to reprogram your subconscious beliefs, transforming insecurity into confidence. By affirming positive beliefs consistently, you energetically manifest them in your reality. In conclusion, remember that you are the universe. Speaking to the universe is speaking to your higher self. Take control of your existence by aligning your consciousness with positivity. Your reality is your canvas, and you are the artist.